being left on side. Move them low and move them high. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. Right on feet, left on side. Swing them out, swing them in. That's how proteins start to spin. Look at the plot and what do you see? Backbone possibilities. Every point is a different pose, showing where the protein goes. Some locations work just fine, some have atoms to confine. If they clash, you gotta stop. Don't dance in the forbidden spots. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. Find your zone, find your groove. Stay where proteins like to move. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. To the right, to the left. Keep that peptide bond real flat. Everybody now. Step, step, turn around. Find your coordinates on the ground. Step, step, turn around. Find your coordinates on the ground. Glycine says, I've got room. Dancing all around the room. Smallest residue in the chain. Lots of angles in its domain. Proline says, not so fast. My ring structure holds me fast. When an alpha helix gets too straight, I put a kink in its backbone gate. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. Ramachandran. Glycine free, proline tight. Both help proteins fold just right. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. Glycine's dancing everywhere. Points all over here and there. Proline's picky, that's no joke. Keeps fire restricted by its yoke. One says move, one says hold. Together they make structures fold. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. Right on feet, left on side. Peptide bond stays locked in place. That's what sets the dancing pace. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. Glycine loose, proline tight. Fold that protein through the night. To the Ramachandran. To the Ramachandran. Hey, everybody fold now. Everybody fold now.